Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to configure OSPF on Cisco routers. So we took three routers here. So we will start from R1. We will maximize the R1 router. And here, first step is router OSPF 10. Then you have to mention the network. In our case, we have two networks. One is physical and other is loopback. And then at the end, we have to mention area 0. Similarly, for physical interface, we will mention the network and the area 0. Now let's move on R2. On R2, again, we have to type router OSPF 10, then network 2.0.0, then subnet mask, then area 0. Here we have to advertise two networks, one towards R1 and other towards R3. On R3 we have to just advertise only one router OSPF 10, network 3.0.0.255.0.0 area 0, and then network 23.1.0.255.255.255.0 area 0. So if we check show IP route on R1, here you will see that 23 network is advertised through OSPF with O, and also the loopback address as well. So now here we have to configure R1 as a DR and R2 as a BDR. What are the commands for this task? You have to enter into configuration mode first, then interface Ethernet 1/0. Here we want R1 to act as a DR, then we have to type the following command: IP OSPF priority 100. So now on R2, which will act as a BDR, here we have to mention the priority IP OSPF priority less than R1. So here we will say 50. Now to check the DR and BDR status, the command is show IP OSPF neighbor. So that's it for today. In today's video, we saw how to configure the OSPF and how to DR and BDR.